up, everyone? So I'm gonna be doing something a little different today. I'm gonna be filming my install, see how it goes. Shouldn't be too bad of a day. It's a 90 to 90 furnace swap out, just the furnace, but you know how those go sometimes. But shouldn't be too bad. I'm having my apprentice just meet me at the job site since he lives literally like down the street from it, so no point in him coming to the shop and driving back. So yeah, but it shouldn't be too bad of a day, and it's my first time like filming this whole thing, so I might film some unnecessary things, I might not film some things, but we'll just see how it goes, and hopefully you guys like it and enjoy this, and let me know if you guys want to keep watching this. So I'll just keep recording and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's see how today goes. All right, so I just went in, did my walkthrough, talked with the customer and everything. Super nice and everything, so it shouldn't be too bad of an install. I have access all around the furnace, so I just gotta hang up the coil and it should be good. Just waiting on my apprentice, and let's get to it. So we're gonna be installing the Goodman. Not too bad. The little furnace riser. Then we got our totes with everything that we will need. Sheet metal. Too bad it's raining, but good thing we're inside. So let's go lay down these drop cloths and let's get started. So this is the furnace. Shouldn't be too bad. We have access right there. We can go through there. And then there's another door over there where we can go through in. The only thing that sucks is the return's like right there-ish. Look at the light, but it's gonna kind of suck. We'll see how it goes. Panel wasn't labeled, so fixed it. That shit sounds like it's about to go too. Okay, so we got the furnace kind of out, kind of broken too, but the bonnet thing got it.
I know you did not step on my Naruto screw tin, dog. That's...
Okay, so had to cut the furnace so that way we had to collapse it. Shouldn't be too bad from the here now. Bring the new one in, pull this one out. Gotta make a new transition to a filter because no bueno. But shouldn't be too bad now. Well, hopefully things go smooth. Well, everything's pretty much done. All we got left now is just do my test and then make it look nice. It's pretty much all done. So I walked out and it's snowing. Gotta love Utah weather, right? Gotta love it. Well, it's mostly done. I'm just running my test right now. Got a probe right up there. Got another temp probe there. Had to do a little something funky with this returner here. Just because there's no way they're gonna get a filter right there. So now it just shoots up. Not too bad. Forgot my caulking gun, so can't really do much. Not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, I had that whole room right there to come in, so not too bad of an install. So just doing my static pressures, and then I'll do my gas pressures, adjust gas pressure, and then we should be good. Should be good. Well, it's like 2:30, so not that long of a day. See what we have later tomorrow. Pretty much all done. Just checking gas pressures real quick. Definitely gotta adjust that. Not too bad. See where that puts us. Small adjustment. What's up, guys? All done. Install wasn't too bad. It's 3 o'clock. Finished at a decent time for a 90 to 90 swap out. I had to kind of mess with the transition, bring the coil down. Had to make sure the furnace was level because that thing was sloped the wrong way, and we do not want it. We're sloped the right way, so that way we don't get no callbacks. Keep it at that. Keep it at zero callbacks. But now I'm just driving back to the shop. I already know what my job is for tomorrow. It's another furnace, a little 80 to 80 swap out. Hopefully early day tomorrow, a little quick 6 hours. 6 hours to knock it out is what I think. I already looked at the pictures. Doesn't look too bad, but hey, it's just a furnace, so anything can happen. So, catch you guys next time though. Hopefully, I don't know. I'll film this one, another one. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Well, catch you guys next time.